Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. I want to demo how Descript works for repurposing content. This is really important if you are a creator looking to sell courses, publish different bits of content on different social media platforms, and create content that really engages. What I love is that it's a really simple to use interface and there's so much to learn, but if you just start here as a creator with the very basics of using Descript for repurposing content, you'll get to know Descript a lot more as a really powerful tool in your daily content creation workflow. Let's get started. I'm going to show you a recent project that I recorded using Descript. I make a lot of these demo videos. And what I want to show you is how you can take this video project and then repurpose it in different ways for YouTube Shorts, TikTok style. The idea is that it gives you a foundation and working canvas so that this one piece of content can be turned into lots of different forms. Now, maybe the original canvas is very simple for YouTube, but when you repurpose it into TikTok or Instagram clips, you can add music, you can add GIFs and stickers to enliven and jazz up the project. The idea here is that Descript is saving you time by allowing you to take one project and repurpose it into different forms, and then you can add music to the different projects, you can add GIFs, and it's all built in within Descript. What I want to do is show you how I would repurpose it into YouTube Shorts. So this is a video that was originally published and uploaded for YouTube, but now it's going to get repurposed into YouTube Shorts so that I can continue to expand my reach and expand my market with different types of content forms. Let me start from the beginning. Once I record the video, I will transcribe the video. If you use Descript to record, then all your recordings will show up in here. I really like that you can attach a camera to your computer and still use, and Descript will automatically detect it, and then you will see all your recordings in here. Let's just say I want to make a new version of this video. I want to copy it to a new project. And then what it's going to do is you're going to see this video as a new project, which I will continue to edit, enhance, and repurpose. If this is my project, what I would do is click on this, highlight this entire project. And this is where it's really tricky. I'm going to highlight the file transcribed. You will go back to your projects, and Descript will have transcribed this video. If I look back at my projects and I look at the one that I just showed you earlier, which is the Power Up demo video, you can see that they transcribed the entire video. Let's say I'm going to take this and repurpose it into a YouTube short, introducing myself, introducing my channel. I want to select this entire scene because, as you can see, it's broken out into scenes. This is the scene that I want to repurpose because I want to show myself as a power-up expert. Then I'm going to copy this and then right-click and click on Duplicate To. And then I'm going to move my little frame and then duplicate this to a new composition. And what it's doing is it's taking this scene and then putting it into a new composition. And then what I can do up here is see that they've clipped this scene, and now I can find my clip here. And this is the one that I want to edit into YouTube Shorts. It's fairly simple to take one piece of content, duplicate it to a new scene. You can duplicate it to a new project and use this as a YouTube Shorts example. So let's just say I change this title so that later on when I'm looking for it, I'll say this is going to be my YouTube Shorts clip. And then I'm going to add some music to this. So then I can select this and then go to this media icon and then look for audio. And Descript gives me a choice of music. These are all royalty free. And then if you click on this play button, that's giving you a preview. And then if you like the music, then you click on it here and that will get applied to the entire scene. I am going to choose this instrumental music. So I'm going to click on this, and now the music will get applied to the entire scene here. Now what I can do is, in addition to adding music for my YouTube clip, I can do captions. Now, before I do captions, I just want to make sure that everything that has been transcribed is accurate. So now you see my music has been applied to the entire scene. And then now what I want to do is select this again. I select this again, and then click on the text icon. And then now I can do captions. And this is really important because sometimes people are in different places and they can't always listen to your video, but they can read the captions. And so that makes it really easy to have captions in your video so that people are reading alongside but having your audio on mute. And this allows them to continue watching your content but without the audio, but they can read. Now you can see the caption show up when I publish this to YouTube. Now let's say I want to continue to add some more. And a quick note that it does take time. I'm on a MacBook, so it's decent, but it's not as fast as it would be if I was on M1. So if you are looking to really do a lot of great content creation and video editing, and I would definitely recommend getting the latest MacBook because it will speed up the processing time. But at least you can see now I have music and I have the captions added. This is very quick and very easy. I didn't have to spend a lot of time thinking. It makes it really easy to access a media library and then add captions, and then I can even choose to make these captions a different color. Now the only challenge or limitation with the captions is that I can make it one color, but as you may see in some videos, people like to make it different colors for different words. But for now, the captions are here and I've added music. And then if I want to, the last thing I want to do is add a fade out at the end. Descript makes it really simple to think about your video in terms of different scenes like a movie. So if I wanted to add a fade out at the end, let's say I want to add the fade out here, starting from here, this word allow, I'm going to add a new scene. Anytime you see this here, that means you've added a new scene. And what I'm going to do is highlight this so that I can see that this is where my new scene is, and then look for this dot here because this is where I will add the fade out. And then I can also adjust it if I don't like it, move it back, and then I can also add the fade from here as well, but I'm only going to do it at the end because I want it to look like movie credits ending where it has that kind of super cool fade out effect. So this is a introduction to using Descript for repurposing content into YouTube Shorts, TikTok style. There's more you can do with the media library. If you click here, they also give you GIFs. And then you can add stickers and you can search, and there's different things, different options that you can choose from. I hope this video was helpful to getting started with using Descript for your content creation and course creation needs. If you have any other requests or questions about using Descript or any other tools, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'd love to hear from you about how I can help you and teach you and share with you different tools to simplify and get your course creation business going. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon.